Hinatulan na ng habang buhay na pagkakakulong ng Taguig Regional Trial Court ang mga nasa likod ng umano'y pambubugbog noon sa aktor at TV host na si Wong Navarro. Kabilang sa hinatulang guilty sa kasong serious illegal detention for ransom ang modelo na si Denise Cornejo, negosyanteng si Cedric Lee, Ferdinand Guerrero at Zimmer Raz. Dahil sa hatol, agad kinansela ng korte ang bail bond o piyansa ng mga akusado. Pinapaaresto na sila ng korte at pinagbabayad din ng danyos kay Wong. Taong 2014, nag-ugat ang kaso matapos ireklamo ni Navarro ang nagkulong umano sa kanya sa isang kondo at pinagbantaan pa siyang papatayin. Sa kanyang programa kanina sa kabilang network, nagpasalamat si Navarro sa lahat ng mga sumuporta at patuloy umanong naniniwala sa kanya sa kabila ng kinakaharap na kaso.
Ang mangyayari ngayon is eventually all the accused will be committed as soon as Cedric Lee and Ferdinand Guerrero are found, and in the case of Denise Cornejo and si Simeon Raz, as soon as the proper papers are processed. Pinaka-importante, justice has been served.
At sa puntong ito, makakausap natin si Rod Cornejo, ang lolo ni Denise Cornejo. Magandang tanghali po sa inyo, Sir Rod.
Magandang hapon, sir, sa mga nakikinig sa TV5.
Sir Rod, ano po ang naging reaksyon? Paano po yung naging reaksyon ni Denise nung kanya pong naririnig yung hatol po?
Well, a combination of sadness and shock. Sadness and shock. Shock because I didn't expect such verdicts. Sadness because, family, a member of your family, is going to go to prison for the rest of her life. Napakalungkot, Cheryl, napakalungkot.
Noon po, ano po ang naging reaksyon o nasabi po sa inyo ni Denise nung narinig po niya yung hatol po sa kanya?
Well, I was beside her all the time, and I was amazed at her composure. No, she did not whip. She did not do any scandalous act. Wala. She was very quiet. She maintained her composure, and she was telling me that she is maintaining her faith. No? She believes that God will that justice will really prevail. So in short, Cheryl, I look at Denise as a very strong woman for her age.
At I understand, Sir Rod, kasama rin po ang kanyang nanay. Kanina po, ano po ang naging reaksyon ng kanyang ina?
Well, I suppose any mother would cry, when she heard the verdict, condemning her child. She cried, but of course, ang aking concern sa kanya kasi she has a heart problem, So we're trying to, make her relax, and process the whole thing. But Cheryl, all I can say is this, I was really surprised kung ba't naging ganun ng verdict. But of course, the judge might have good reason. But ang kinakapitan, ang hinahawak namin ang aming pananampalataya. We are keeping our faith in God. Kasi marami din po mga kaibigan na mga Kristiyano na nagdadasal para sa Kanya, So I believe that God has a plan. I know that He has a plan. And it will come out right. Yun na po, Cheryl. Yun na po.
Nasaan na po ngayon si Denise, Sir Rod?
Well, we departed from Bikutan. She was on her way to, I think, CIW. I think she has to undergo some medical examination. While the other person will go straight to New Bilibid prison. So she's going to be she'll be incarcerated at CIW. Yan alam ko.
Panghuli na lamang po, ano po ang sunod na hakbang ng inyong pamilya pagkatapos nga po ng hatol ng korte kay Denise?
Well, first pray, second pray, third pray, and lastly, use other legal remedies kung pwede pa.
Marami pong salamat sa inyong oras, Sir Rod Cornejo, ang lolo ni Denise Cornejo.